sum. बहुत लेंदी है दिखने में, but बहुत easy है. Okay, it looks very lengthy, but it's very easy sum. Yeah, I'll show you how lengthy it is. Yeah, this is the full question. Okay, the full question is this: a detailed P&L account is given. It's a very detailed P&L account. Yeah, Samit, I'll send the screenshot of this. Don't worry. Yeah, obviously. Okay. Now, everyone, pay attention, huh? S5 A and D1, just pay attention there. Okay. I am going to discuss this sum in very detail, and I want you guys to try this sum. Okay. ये बहुत इजी सम है, ये सिर्फ दिखने में लेंदी है, देख के बच्चा डर जाएगा रे इतना बड़ा सम, but it's a very 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 easy sum. Okay, and I'll tell you what to do with that. Okay, let me first enable the chat box. Okay, yeah, now you guys can give your attendance also in the chat box and pay attention whatever I am saying. ठीक है, अभी देखो, a detailed P&L account is given to you. Let us see what is said about the cost sheet in this. Okay, so see the last part. See the one which I've highlighted in green and yellow. Closing stock in cost accounts, that is cost sheet, is valued at cost of production, matlab FIFO. However, opening stock in cost records is same as per financial records. Okay, so opening stock of finished goods in cost books will be same as what is there in the P&L as per the sum. Okay, only cost sheet के लिए closing stock will be on the basis of FIFO. Okay, so they have given you only one information to make cost sheet, but just think students, एक information से cost sheet बनता है क्या? Obviously नहीं बनता है. तो इसका क्या मीनिंग है? बाकी का सारा इंफॉर्मेशन हम कहाँ से उठाएंगे? We will take it from P&L. I repeat, the question is saying closing stock in cost accounts is valued at cost of production. So they are saying कि cost sheet के लिए only one item is there. But do you think one item से cost sheet बनता है क्या? Obviously नहीं बनता है. सिर्फ closing stock of finished goods से थोड़ी ना cost sheet बनेगा. Cost sheet बनाने के लिए I need direct material, I need direct wages, I need direct expenses, I need factory overheads, I need admin overheads, I need selling and distribution overheads, I need sales. Okay, so all this information से cost sheet बनता है, बराबर. So what have I been telling you all past so many lectures? In absence of information, what we have to do? We have to take figures from P&L to make cost sheet. राइट, तो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू दैट. तो जरा दिमाग लगाओ, मतलब एक ही आइटम रिकंसाइल होने वाला है, बिकॉज एक ही आइटम है जो कॉस्ट शीट में नया होगा, और वो क्या होगा? क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ऑफ फिनिश्ड गुड्स. रेस्ट ऑल द अदर आइटम्स, राइट फ्रॉम डायरेक्ट मटेरियल कंज्यूम टिल सेल्स, यू आर गोइंग टू कॉपी पेस्ट फ्रॉम P&L टू कॉस्ट शीट. ठीक है, तो उन सब आइटम्स को रिकंसाइल करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. ओके, अंडरस्टूड द टेक्नोलॉजी, द टेक्निक, आई मीन नॉट टेक्नोलॉजी, अंडरस्टूड द टेक्निक व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से. सो दिस इज हाउ यू विल आइडेंटिफाई कि व्हाट हैज टू बी रिकंसाइल्ड एंड व्हाट इज नॉट टू बी रिकंसाइल्ड, द शॉर्टकट वे. अंडरस्टूड? बिकॉज दिस इज अ 30 मिनट्स का सम. यू हैव टू, P&L तो आपको बनाना नहीं है, इट इज ऑलरेडी बना हुआ रेडीमेड. आपको सिर्फ कॉस्ट शीट डिटेल में बनाना है और फिर सीधा रिकंसिलिएशन करना है. Cost sheet is lengthy here, but reconciliation is not lengthy because there is only one item which needs to be reconciled. Rest every item you're just copy pasting it to cost sheet. Okay, so there is no need for reconciliation. Am I clear? So opening stock of finished goods, okay, 6,000 units. So this will help you to calculate units produced and units sold as per your cost sheet. Raw material consumed, it is the first item of my cost sheet. Raw material consumed, right? Carriage inward will be added to raw material consumed. Direct wages is the second item in cost sheet. salesman's commission, selling and distribution, office salaries, admin overheads, motor car expense, admin overheads. I'll tell you the reason why motor car expense is in admin overheads. Okay, if you see depreciation on delivery van, depreciation on delivery van is given in the question. Okay, so delivery van is what? It is an asset which is used by the manufacturer for distributing final goods to the customer. बराबर? तो आपके पास ऑलरेडी एक डिलीवरी वैन है, तो आपके पास एक मोटर कार एक्स्ट्रा क्यों है? ऑब्वियसली फिनिश गुड्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के लिए तो नहीं है. ओके, सो व्हेन डिलीवरी वैन इज ऑलरेडी देयर इन द क्वेश्चन, दैट मीन्स द मोटर कार इज यूज्ड फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ ट्रैवलिंग ऑफ द स्टाफ. I repeat, if the delivery van is already there in the question, दिया हुआ है delivery van expenses, it means the delivery van is used for the purpose of distributing finished goods. That means the motor car which is there with you is for the purpose of office staff car traveling. So it will go to admin overheads. Okay. Advertisement, selling and distribution, directors remuneration, office will go to admin, works will go to factory, sales will go to selling and distribution. Indirect wages will go to factory overheads, plant depreciation, factory, worksman compensation reserves. Reserves are what? Money kept aside out of profits. So not allowed in cost sheet. Okay, it's a non-cost item. So see, I put a cross. Next, office rent, admin overheads, after sales service, selling and distribution, interest. You all know it's a financial expense, will not come in cost sheet. Then showroom rent, selling and distribution, carriage outward, selling and distribution, depreciation on delivery van, selling and distribution, factory fuel, factory overheads, packing and forwarding, selling and distribution. Packing and forwarding is secondary packing for the finished goods. Okay. Miscellaneous expenses, miscellaneous factory expenses, factory overheads, preliminary expenses written off, financial expense not to be taken in cost sheet, put across, audit fees, admin overheads, general office expenses, admin overheads, factory rent, factory overheads. Then loss on sale of investments, it's a financial loss, non-cost, will not come in cost sheet, put across. Then insurance, office will go to admin, sales will go to selling and distribution, factory will go to factory overheads. Okay, printing and stationery is admin overheads. Depreciation of factory furniture will go to factory. Depreciation on office furniture will go to admin. Depreciation on showroom furniture will go to selling and distribution. Okay, yeah, don't forget all these things. Selling and distribution. Then telephone expenses, office will go to admin, sales will go to selling and distribution. Okay, legal expenses will go to admin overheads. This 2,59,226 is net profit as per finance books. Okay, then sales 11,70,000, the last item in cost sheet, and units sold with दिया हुआ है 90,000. This will help you to calculate units produced. Closing stock of finished goods 4,500. But I will not take this figure because नीचे बोला है you have to take FIFO. Bank interest and dividend received, both are non-cost items not to be taken in cost sheet. Okay, am I clear? Prepare a cost statement showing total cost, exclude the per unit column. But I would suggest make a per unit column. Per unit column banana, but expenses के per unit मत calculate करना, but do calculate per unit for COP or FIFO. ठीक है? This sum, April 2009. The whole cost sheet has been copied from P&L because there is no information about as to how to make a cost sheet. Only one information is given, that closing stock to be taken at FIFO method. That's it. बाकी कुछ information नहीं दिया है for cost sheet. So obviously I told you in absence of information you have to take figures from P&L, trading in P&L. Okay. So start. First we will calculate this units produced, units sold. Okay. Write down units produced. Add opening stock of finished goods 6,000 units. Less closing stock of finished goods 4,500. And units sold is 90,000 units. Okay. you'll be going reverse. Okay, what do you mean by going reverse? Minus will become plus, plus will become minus. So 90,000 plus 4,500 minus 6,000. 88,500 is my units produced. Okay. Okay. Now come to your cost sheet. Prepare the CPU column, but we will keep it blank. Obviously, वैसे भी बोला है, excluding the CPU. But CPU I need only for my FIFO method. That's it. So prepare it, but we are going to keep it blank. Okay. Units produced we just got 88,500. Units sold 90,000. First is direct cost, raw material consumed. Carriage inward, you will be adding it to raw material consumed. Okay. So 5,19,400 plus 5,100. Outer column 5,24,500. Then direct wages 72,872. 5,97,372. So that's my prime cost. Okay. Then add all your indirect wages. Indirect wages mein first is factory. And there is this big list of factory. Write it down. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items are there under factory overheads. Directors remuneration, indirect wages, plant depreciation, factory fuel, factory miscellaneous expense, factory rent, factory insurance, and factory depreciation on furniture. Okay. 12,000 plus 20,268 plus 11,472 plus 4,248 plus 3,270 plus 18,720 plus 1,800 plus 600. 72,378 is my factory overheads ka total. Okay. Take it to gross factory cost. There is no opening closing WIP. तो आप डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हो. Okay. You can directly write factory, net factory और वो same है. Okay. Add in CC plus 5,97,372. That's 6,69,750. Sorry. So next, admin overheads. Take the list. admin overheads, legal fees. So many items are there. See, legal fees, telephone expense, furniture depreciation, office insurance, office general expense, audit fees, rent, director's remuneration, motor car expense, salary, all this. Okay. 504 plus 129 plus 900 plus 300 plus 1500 plus 2520 plus 6900 plus 12,000 plus 18,384 plus 25,368. 68,505 plus gross net factory cost 6,69,750. 7,38,255. Okay. Yeah. 7,38,255. That's my cost of production. Okay. Let's go through it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items under admin. I hope I am clear till your cost of production tak. Just acknowledge it in the chat box. Am I clear till here to everyone? Then I'll move on to selling and distribution. Okay, fine. Yeah. Thanks, Devanshi, Shivam, Ajatta, Gmail. Okay. And next. Okay, this is done. So my cost of production is finished. इसके बाद, yeah, add opening stock of finished goods, less closing stock of finished goods. Yeah. Add opening stock of finished goods, less closing stock of finished goods. Closing stock of finished goods, they have clearly said it should be as per FIFO. I'll follow FIFO. Okay. Opening stock of finished goods, कितना बोला है? They have said it should be same as financial records. So financial books में closing stock, opening stock is how much? 59,760. Okay. So I did here 59,760. 59,760. Okay. And then closing stock 4,500 multiplied with FIFO. So let us calculate FIFO ka rate. I'm talking about this rate. This rate. So how will you get this rate? 7,38,255 divided by units produced. 88,500. Okay. Okay, project is saying, ma'am, you have not written printing and stationery amount. Okay, project, let me check. Printing and stationery. Okay, I have not taken that. 720. Oh, thank you so much, Prajakta. 720. Okay, so one line also I had left. Okay, okay. Yeah. Thank you. Writing it here. Printing and stationery. 720. This will change. 720. So my answer will also change. 68,505 plus 720. 69,225. 69,225 plus this value. Plus this 6,69,750. 7,38,975. 7,38,975. 7,38,975. Thank you, Prajakta. Hmm. 7,38,975 divided by units produced 88,500. So कितना हुआ 8.35. So my FIFO is 8.35. ठीक है मैं इससे मल्टीप्लाई करूँगी 8.35. ठीक है so multiplied with 4,500 closing stock 37,575. 37,575 is the answer. So right here 37,575. Okay. Solve करो 7,38,975 plus 59,750 minus 7,38,975 plus 59,760. 760 minus 37,575. 7,61,160. Okay. 7,61,160. So this is my cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold. Okay, and then the last part. Add selling and distribution overheads. Selling and distribution overheads. Okay, Shivam, your COP is 7,38,471. 7,38,471. Okay. शिवम एक बार अमाउंट्स चेक कर लो ये प्रिंटिंग एंड स्टेशनरी लिया था because I had missed that. I just took 720. No, Shivam, legal fees will come. Legal fees for criminal suit थोड़ी ना बोला. Legal fees बोला है ना. It is a very much part of business activity. Okay, yeah. लीगल फीस फॉर क्रिमिनल सूट बोला है तो वो नहीं आएगा क्योंकि फिर वो बिजनेसमैन का या मैन्युफैक्चरर का पर्सनल है. ओके, बट लीगल फीस तो इन कनेक्शन टू बिजनेस में तो कितने सारे लीगल फॉर्मेलिटीज कंप्लीट करने पड़ते हैं. ओके, सो इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ओवरहेड्स. Come to selling and distribution. Selling and distribution में I have sales office telephone. Sales telephone charges 627. I will write that. Sales telephone expense 627. Next, ये हो गया. Next, showroom furniture depreciation 420. Showroom furniture depreciation 420. Next, sales insurance 720. Next, packing and forwarding 3270. Packing and forwarding 3270. Packing and forwarding 3270. Next, depreciation on delivery van 5040. Depreciation on delivery van 5040 and carriage outward 6240. Carriage outward is also done. Showroom rent 9000. Showroom rent 9000. Next, interest after sale service 4476. 4476 after sales service. Next, director's remuneration 14400. Okay, sales director's remuneration 14400. Next, Comparison. Salesman's commission 38,520. That's it. 38,520. Salesman commission 38,520. Take it in the outer column. Advertisement नहीं लिया ना मैंने 61,920. Advertisement 61,920. That is also there. Advertisement 61,920. And students, you can start giving your attendance in the chat box. This will give me cost of sales. Cost of sales. Add profit to this. And I will get my sales. Let us add this. Six 27 plus 420 plus 720 plus 3270 plus 5040 plus 6240 plus 9000 plus 4476 plus 14400 plus 38,520 plus 61,920. 1,44,633. 1,44,633 plus the previous total. 7,61,160. 9,05,793. 9,05,793. Okay. And sales कितना है 11,70,000. So right here 11,70,000. Whatever is the difference is my profit. 2,64,207. So this is net profit as per cost of goods. And items which you are not taking in cost sheet, उसका note भी आएगा. So there are hardly any items in cost sheet which will be reconciled. So this is my cost books. This is my finance books. I'm starting from here. Net profit as per cost books. So my minus sign starts from here, minus plus, and opposite sign will be other one. Okay. The only item that I have to reconcile is what? Closing stock. बाकी तो सब मैंने कॉपी वहीं से करके बनाया है, right? So 37,575 this item. Okay, 37,575 minus, let us see, closing stock of finished goods 52,776. So 15,201 excess है. Yeah, so right here. By closing stock of finished goods, I'm taking the excess or the overvaluation. 15,201. That's it. बाकी जो बच गया जो फाइनेंस बुक्स में आएगा, कॉस्ट शीट में नहीं आएगा, फाइनेंस बुक्स में आएगा. I'm talking about the non-cost items. Okay, which are my non-cost items? Loss on sale of investments 4017. Your debit side, financial expense, loss on investments, loss on sale of investments. Next, 4017. Sorry. Next, preliminary expenses written off 4,200. Worksman compensation fund, interest, preliminary expenses written off 4,200. Interest 6,000. Worksman compensation reserve 13,275. Worksman compensation reserve 13,270. And then these two items 6,900 and 410. Financial expense, financial income, dividend, and bank interest. Four ten and 6,900. So this completes my working note. Okay, address करो, you will get your I'm sorry, not bank reconciliation statement, your reconciliation statement. ठीक है, तो बाकी कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. So these are the items which is going to be reconciled. Rest everything you have copied from P&L only. Okay.